Welcome to the UCLA Career Center's Letters of Reference services. Letter of Reference is a simple way to choose and send letters to any graduate school of your choosing. This is a 7-step process to help you choose which letters go to which school. If you're setting up a new account or already have an account, just go to the Career Center website. Once there, you will move your mouse over to the section titled Students and scroll down and click on Letter of Reference services. As a shortcut, you also go to career.ucla.edu/LOR. You will quickly be navigated to the Letter of Reference page, and you will simply click on the New and Current Users and Sign In. Once at the home page, you will go to the menu option on the left-hand side. Menu option has every section neatly organized from your waiver access form to your letters. Pay close attention to the My Letters section. Here you will be able to see all of your letters on file. Next, when you need to mail your letters, you go to Mail My Letters. You will be asked if you are applying to any of the medical schools participating in the AMCAS process. Note that for the sake of this video, we will focus on mailing letters to general graduate schools and non-AMCAS schools. As soon as you answer the AMCAS question, you will go to the first step of the mailing process. There you will simply pick the type of graduate school you'll be sending your letters to. Quickly after this, you will arrive to the second step where you will select which letters you want sent. As soon as you choose your letters, you will be at step number 3, the mailing option. The first option is basic mailing. This sends your letters through U.S. mail and will be processed within 12 business days. There is no definite mailing time, so please take into consideration the time between your request and the deadline for your application. Under basic mailing, the first 2 schools are $10 each. Each additional school after the first 2 is $5 each. The second option is priority mailing. This shipping is handled by UPS Shipping. This option has your letters processed within 3 business days. After processing, can arrive within a day. Under priority mailing, each school that you request letters sent to is $28. The last option is fax. This option is used when schools request it. It takes up to 3 business days to process. Each requested school is $15. And from there, you go to the next step. After choosing the mailing option, the 4th step involves inputting the school's address through a given code or manually inputting the addresses. To see if the school has a code, you will simply click here. This will lead you to the list of coded schools. If your school does not have a code, you will type in the correct address manually on the next page. After that, you will list the amount of coded schools as well as the amount of non-coded schools you are requesting in either boxes. And then you'll go to the next page and input the addresses manually. Always remember to verify if the address is correct on either coded or non-coded schools. Now, one important note about international mailing requests. International mail requests will say invalid address at the bottom of the page. Disregard this message and email us at pps@career.ucla.edu. This will give you a tracking number for this request. With step 5 done, step 6 will allow you to verify that everything on your request is correct. Do make sure that you have inputted the correct information. Once you go on to the next step, you will not be able to correct any errors made. Even if there is a mistake on an address or a wrong letter is sent, you will still be charged, so do be diligent. Lastly, you will go on to the end of the page to make your payment. You can choose between credit card or university bar accounts depending on if you're a registered student or not. And after that, you'll click Finish and it will send your request. Again, if you have any questions, you can refer to our frequently asked questions at career.ucla.edu/LOR webpage. And lastly, if you have any questions, please email us at pps@career.ucla.edu. And that's the end of the Letters of Rec tutorial.